Barbie.
We've got Barbie, we've got Shakira. We've got,
Shakira,
oh my god. Oh my god.
Or ni hao. Ni hao. I love Chinese.
Coming up in today's video, I meet up again with my friend Deena for a tour of Islamic Cairo. We admire the area's stunning 10th century architecture, stop for a super cheap lunch with an eagle on a hidden side street, and I get a bit overwhelmed in the beautiful chaos that is Khan El Khalili market. I've arrived at the entrance of Khan El Khalili. I just have to find Deena and then we can go inside. It does get pretty hectic here because it is also like a working market. Yeah. Look around. Oh! I caught it on camera!
This is nice area.
Yeah.
You can buy fake gold and real gold.
Fake gold and real gold for the same price.
No. Baby, no. See the real gold, how is it? This is a real
Yeah, this is.
gold. It's not a bait. And
I'd like to be sponsored by gold. Yeah. I went to the museum yesterday, the gem, and oh my god, like the golden
masks and jewelry.
Yes.
Yeah.
I want to get some gold hoops.
Really?
Yeah.
You can see, but not here. Maybe
Okay.
here.
Somewhere cheaper.
Yeah, somewhere cheaper.
People always want gold, don't they? It's a good investment.
And because the price of it is so high, so some people just buy it to keep their
Right, yeah.
their money.
Investment,
Some
yeah.
people, yeah.
So do lots of Egyptians just have their money in gold?
Yeah.
I love this street.
Yeah.
What's the name of this street?
المعز
Al-Muaz.
المعز لدين الله الفاطمي. He was like a ruler. Egypt once was a part of the Fatimid Empire.
Right, and they're the ones who built this area.
Yeah, actually,
yes.
yeah.
And this was what, in like the 10th century, so like 1,000 years ago or something. Yeah,
something
more
like
than.
this. And he built many mosques here and even schools.
Like
teach.
madrasas.
Yeah, madrasa.
I'm learning.
And also perfumes.
Yes.
Yeah.
Perfume, yeah. I've been trapped in many a shop.
Yeah. I love perfumes. I adore it. Yeah,
What's your favourite smell?
It's oud.
Oud.
It's Arabian
Yeah.
perfume.
It's very, very expensive in Britain. Is it expensive here?
It's so expensive here.
Yeah, it's a lovely smell.
Yeah, I love it. Some people don't love it because it's like, how to say, it's intense.
Yes, it's quite heavy.
But I don't care.
It's good to be intense.
Yeah.
Go hard or go home. I came here before and there was lots of people dressed up as like bears.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I hate bears. I love gorillas, but I hate bears.
Oh, maybe it was a bear and a gorilla and they were like fighting and dancing.
Yeah, like this.
Look how beautiful this is. Wow.
It's Sabil. Sabil means like the place that you get water from it.
Oh, okay.
So you see stuff from inside.
Oh. Wow.
Once time it was filled with water.
Oh.
And there was no glass, as he said, that there is no glass, and people can drink from.
Oh,
this place.
cool. Oh,
Yeah.
like how you get on the street, you get the taps.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But
Oh.
there was no taps.
Yeah, yeah. Back then it was just
It was just like
pre-tap.
from your hand.
Yeah.
بس كان كوبايه يعني كان زي الكوبايه بس من بره مش خصوصا من جوه كل المراحل وتوقع الفرن برضه
But there was like a glass or something.
Yeah.
Cups.
Yeah.
So people can drink.
Oh, that's
كله
nice.
شباك هو هنا بس سبيل من كان واخد الكل لو مشيت في الشارع هتلاقي ازباله كتيره بس شباك هو الشارع كله شرب من بره.
من بره خالص.
طبعا ده ما كانش فيه الازاز ده. كل الشباك هتلاقي نفس الازاز. مايا
Thanks so much for watching this video so far. If you liked it, please like it and please consider subscribing to my channel for more videos from Egypt and around the world. Just like everything here is beautiful. It's just so normal for everything to be beautiful.
I smell the food.
We've come to this nice local cafe called tameya.
It's like an eagle.
Huh?
Eagle out there.
Oh my god, wow! Good, I didn't realise, wow.
لا يا شكرا مش حلو انا عارفه بس يعني لا خليه
He's beautiful.
نفسي فيه يعني يصطاد حمام يعمل اي حاجه
Oh, why is he here?
I don't know هو ليه هنا؟ بتسألك ليه هنا؟ He owns him.
Oh, he's like a pet.
فينيس ناس
Oh.
He have like a small monkey. Shahid. She is a girl.
Oh,
Her
I'm
name is
sorry.
Shahid,
Shahid.
which means honey.
Oh, Camila Shahid. Wow. Wow. Shukran Gidan. Wow. Everything's going on in this square. So we have hubs,
bread,
patatas,
potatoes,
betangen, salata, torshi. Oh, I didn't know that word, torshi. Oh, shukran gidan. Shukran. Oh. And then, yes, fool, which is like fava beans, tahina, and oil. I love fool. Very nice. What you do is you get the bread.
Then make like cat ear.
And
then eat
how do you say that? Otta?
ودن القطة.
With the otta. I can't do it with my left hand. What I love about this area is it's like super touristy, and then you just go off onto a side street and it's like no one's here.
Yeah.
Oh wow! Look at you, talented. Very impressive.
If you want me to film you, I am okay with this.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah, really.
Shukran.
This is Mohammed.
Ah, it's me, Alice. Nice to meet you. Fosa Saida.
كام لو سمحت؟ نعم؟ ده بكام وده بكام؟
I gave Deena the earrings and she got me these very nice sweets.
Sweets كل ده
I've never
عسل.
tried this, so this will be interesting.
Yeah. It's so sugary.
I love sugar. Oh, I went up here before. That was cool.
Really?
Yeah, you go up like a ladder.
Oh, this is so nice.
One of those situations with the old man inside, and he's like, "Oh, come with me, come with me."
Give
He
me
wants a
money,
bribe,
give me
yeah.
money. We can ask about the golden earrings if you want.
Oh no, it's okay.
Okay.
I'll save something for next time.
Save something for Bangkok.
Yeah, Bangkok. So now we're going to Khan El Khalili.
Yeah.
Is there anything you want to buy?
Maybe a shawl or something. I can see. It's called pashmina shawl.
Yeah.
They are so nice. This is the beginning of the street.
Like second Egyptian museum inside here.
Hi, how are you? Barbie? Okay. I have you.
Lots of people saying like random things.
Yeah. Come look here. Come look here.
Barbie, Shakira.
Barbie, very nice.
Very nice.
No.
I guess it's like if I was speaking Arabic and I owned a shop and I'd just be like, hello, Awi.
حلوة قوي.
Deena's buying a pashmina.
Yeah, but
Ooh, nice. That's nice.
I Actually, I dreamed of bringing something like this. I love this color.
It's lovely.
And it's not at every store.
Yeah, no, that's a really nice colour.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh my God! Look, it's from Srinagar. It's from Kashmir.
أيوة.
Oh. Oh,
هي
that's
عشان
cool.
يروحوا كشمير.
A little bit of Kashmir in Cairo.
Super nice. شكرا نشكر أشرف.
We've got Barbie, we've got Shakira.
Shakira.
Oh my God.
Hips online.
Oh my God. Can I tell you something?
Shakira. Or ni hao. Ni hao. I love Chinese.
It's worth a try. It's worth a try.
Chinese. хорошо.
We're now in the less touristy part. Yes, I remember getting lost in this area.
You look lucky.
I have here perfume.
Masria.
Where are from?
Britannia.
England. Bloody Mobley.
Oh,
Tasty chips.
yeah.
Oh my God.
Are you also from Britain?
I'm Egyptian, but I love to shop. This one my shop.
You can take photos. It's
Oh,
okay.
shukran جدا. Oh,
It's like very narrow alley.
cool. Oh, wow. Wow. Assalamu alaikum. Oh, wow.
This one my granddad shop.
Oh,
I sell here perfume and essential oil.
This.
these are
This is
beautiful.
my Baba handmade work.
Oh, it's
Yes, he
beautiful.
bought it.
Oh.
It's a very beautiful
And I
shop.
have here Cleopatra oils. Give me your hand. Smell it.
So nice.
Oh, it's nice. Yeah.
Of course, nice. And I have Nefertiti.
Oh. How do you know what she smelled like?
This is a good question.
How old are you?
Yes. How old?
As old as Nefertiti?
How old?
Because you smelled her.
35.
I'm 56 years.
What? It's all the oils.
No
The
collagen.
oils keep you
Collagen.
collagen.
I have the real collagen here.
Perfume Palace is the place to come.
Hi guys.
Ouds and nice
Perfume
smells.
Palace.
Ooh. Nice to meet you too. Shukran.
Bye guys.
We can go to another alley.
Yeah? I guess it just goes on and on and on, doesn't it? I've walked down here before and it's like it's never ending.
From the are more beautiful. It's 50
Hello.
pounds just.
Shukran.
50 Egyptian pound and don't lose the chance.
Don't lose the chance. Something tells me that he'll still be there tomorrow.
This part is for clothing and for sheets.
Yes.
Oh
Oh yeah, there's a big sheet area, isn't there?
And the
I've been
other
there.
area is for like touristic.
Yes.
This
yeah.
is not touristic.
No, I like this. This is the proper.
Yeah.
This is what it's for. Deena knows all the side streets. I just get overwhelmed on the main one and like freak out. Ooh. She knows where she's going. Oh, spices. It's so spicy, this alley that's like making me. It smells nice, but it like catches in your throat. Do you come here to buy spices?
Yeah.
Yeah. Out. Out of the crazy street. Oh. Are we back on Moaz?
Yeah.
Oh. You know this place like the back of your hand.
Yeah. But now we can go for the sugar cane.
Oh, yeah. Let's do
We
that.
can go to the other
Other side.
side.
Yes.
So,
Yeah, I feel like getting some good sugar cane. Nice and refreshing.
Hi, how are you?
Hello.
Where are you from?
At market, you feel like there's a street for every single thing. Like, like, oh, you want that? There's a street for that.
We are organized.
Oh, it's nice to sit down.
So nice.
I'm getting the Hawagaya kind of sweat. Hawagaya. It's quite overwhelming in the market. But I'm glad we had food before.
Yeah, it's like I can't.
Shukra, Islam Eid. Deena's got, what have you got? Sophia.
Just mango. Tasty.
Like milk and mango.
Tasty.
Oh, that's really good.
Yeah.
You want to have some rice?
I know it.
Are you sure? Have you ever tried it? Sugar cane mousse. So refreshing.
Yeah.
Especially having it cold. Like for such a long time, our ancestors wouldn't have had anything cold.
Yeah.
Which like for mine it's okay because they're in a cold country, but like your ancestors,
We died.
yeah, you just be like,
You always look so cold.
and I look really sweaty.
Sorry.
Look at me, she's wearing a kind of denim jacket.
And now I'm feeling cold.
It's really cold. And I'm like sweating.